Hi, Pat here. I got a Panasonic 8-track player recorder. And it does play. It's got 2 volume slides for the left and right.
By the banks of the river, sways and rolls along. Yeah, once upon a time.
They're a little dirty. They need to be cleaned.
An old time family bluegrass band.
So I'm going to get inside of it. And I want to see what shape the belt's into. This piece comes right off. And this belt, a bit old. See if I can find a replacement for that. This will come right out. And I'll clean and oil that up. I got another belt on. Let's put just a little dab of grease there. And a little dab of grease there. I'll put that bracket back on. This right here, it's for the lights, tell you what channel is on. So I got a little DeoxIT shot underneath there. And take a look at the lights here. And they're all working. Just hit and miss at first. Right now, when I slide this right channel up, see that thing peg, and that really ain't right. This side ain't doing too much for it. I gotta figure out why that one's pegging over there like that. This right here is the record playback switch, and I shot some DeoxIT into that. That's always a problem. Just about every tape deck I work on, that's a problem. And up front here, and these slides, I use favorite lube. It's made just for slides. And I shot some of that in there. Now they got these slides cleaned up.
Good time loving we once knew.
Ain't spiking anymore.
Old time love again with you. Love was sweet, love was right. We rush home every night.
I got everything back together. And
Everything goes.
left side's working. Right side's working.
When your good time friends are all gone. One of your big old bodyguards.
And there is an eject button. So this little tape deck came out nice. Thanks for watching the video.